Hello guys, welcome back to HierroShield YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into the problem undo that is present on Scilab, previously known as Pico CTF. So here we have started the server. So it is about to expire. I will just restart this one. So the problem states, can you reverse a series of Linux text transformation to recover original flag? So on this specific port of the server, we actually have some text that we need to reverse. And if we click on hint, it says for text translation and character replacement, see the command documentation is given by them. So you can refer this one as well. So we will first move on to WebShell. So we will open our netcat server that we got from our statement. Here we have a flag. So we can see we have got text here. After selecting, it will be automatically copied. And hint is base64 encoding. So first thing we will do, as we already have been told that it's a base64 encoding. So we will move on to CyberChef. Here we will go to from base64. So here we have applied that filter. We will replace this with our flag. So here we can see we have some gibberish values right here. But if we look closely, so we can recognize a pattern key if we replace these circular braces with curly braces. So it will be a typical flag format, but this thing that those are seven characters, I guess. One, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. So this most probably can be said as Pico CTF and the remaining flag in curly braces. So we can predict that it may happen. This is a reversed flag. So what we will do, we will get it straight by reversing it. So we will just move on to text reverser. Here we will paste our text and we will get reverse. So here it's now somewhere looking as a flag. Just the thing is we need to replace our circular braces with the curly braces, and here we can see that it should be Pico CTF, right? Three things are capital. This same pattern I recognized from here. The three letters were capital here and four were small. So this should be Pico. So that means C is represented by, sorry, P is represented by C. So that means we have shifted the alphabets. So that's why we will copy this text again and move back to our CyberChef, disabling this for a moment, and we will paste our flag here. And what we will do, as we can predict that this is a rotational cipher, so we will get a rot 13 here. And yeah, right here we have our flag. That was a hint that we skipped, and that's why we weren't able to submit it. So right here, and now it will be submitted for sure. Yes. So that's how we solve this issue, solve this problem. If you like the solution, do like our video, subscribe to our channel. And if you have any other demand to solve a specific problem, kindly do comment in the comments below and we'll surely get a solution for you. Thank you so much.